Brian back here with another look at Veracity. First off, I want to apologize. The circulating supply, I was made aware by a couple comments that the circulating supply is all out there. Apparently, they did a burn and the maximum supply is out. So the deflation is not going to hurt this coin. I apologize. I did not know about that. I went by what CoinMarketCap had, and CoinMarketCap is usually pretty reliable. All right, so we're gonna go over to Gecko and see what they have on here. All right, Veracity. See what they gotta say. All right, circulating supply, 10 billion. Total supply, 100 billion. Let's look at a look at something here real quick. Veracity burns 50% of its maximum supply. That was on October 2nd. Let's take a look and see what the Veracity destroys 10 billion in tokens in historic burn. October 3rd. Let's take a look here at this article, okay? Not that I don't believe what anybody says, but, I just don't want to spread false information, so let's take a look, all right? Let's see what this says. Token burn has destroyed 50% of its total circulating supply. Alright, looks like that one don't give a whole lot. Let's take a look at one more here. This one right up here. And that's great. I mean, that's fantastic. 50% of its maximum supply today, with further plans to move 90 billion tokens currently reserved for circulation to a new blockchain. All right, so today's burn caps Veracity circulating supply at just 10 billion. Great. That caps their circulating supply at 10 billion. Veracity no longer required the 10 billion strategic reserve tokens following the commercial success of its anti-bot advertising technology offering powered by its patented blockchain technology proof of view. All right, so that's fantastic. It is capped at 10 billion. That's fantastic. That is great. So the circulating supply is the apparently the total supply. I apologize. I cover a lot of cryptos. I don't know everything about every one of them. I hold Veracity. I did not know about this though. All right, so I apologize. I'm not always right. That's for sure. I'll be the first one to admit it. And so there you go. So deflation will not hurt this token. That is good. That's better than good. That's fantastic because I've seen it happen so many times to coins and tokens out there, cryptos that deflation absolutely destroys any kind of upward price. So that's great. I apologize for saying that, and please forgive me, and let's move on. Okay, so there you go. 10 billion. That's even better. That's super low, man. That's very low considering. You got XRP with 100 billion. You got Cardano with 38 billion. And them tokens, not saying Veracity is going to hit $3. I'm not saying that at all. I mean, it's not even at a penny right now. But, with a 10 billion total supply, that increases your odds of, a lot higher prices for sure. Okay, so let's move over and take a look at the crypto bubbles real quick. Here's the bubbles for the day. Having a pretty decent day out there. It looks like Bitcoin's daily RSI is reset, and it looks like it's ready to start heading upwards again. Veracity's ranked 316th, down 3 spots. $80 million market cap. That's every time I see that, I say that's beautiful. It is beautiful. The lower the market cap, when you start hitting market caps of 5 billion, 10 billion, your odds of getting a 50x or 100x are diminishing very quickly. When you have an $80 million market cap, your odds of a 50x or a 100x are a lot better. Okay, the smaller the market cap, the better. That's what you want to, in my opinion, not personal financial advice. In my opinion, that's the what you want to be buying. Small market caps with small token supplies. That's the ones you want to get in. Uh, I had 1000x that I hit, and I've had a lot of 200, 300x tokens that I've gotten into. So that seemed to be my key to success was the small market cap. Let's face it, XRP or Cardano. I'm not sure what their market caps are at now, say 20 billion, 30 billion. I'm not 100% sure. But the chances of you getting a 50x out of Cardano now or XRP, not going to happen. It's not going to happen. A 50x here, absolutely possible for sure. 100x, who knows? 300x. These are where the big X's come in, okay? You get into a token that just launches with a $1 million market cap, and your chances of 100x are extremely high, as long as the circulating supply is low, all right? You don't want a $1 trillion circulating supply, okay? So that doesn't work out too well. But anyway, let's move on. The sky is the limit for this thing. 10 billion tokens is fantastic. That's great to hear. Thank you for letting me know that. All right, let's see here. If we put a Fibonacci on this thing, we are right at a 702. Okay, there it is. This yellow line right here, that is your 702. We have nailed a 702. That is the key level, guys. We need to break the 0.0092. If we get through the 702, price could move fast. Okay, once you get through a 702 and 786, price action seems to really take off pretty quick. I'm going to show you AGIX. I cover this token. I've covered it since I started my channel, but let me show you something here real quick. Once you get through the 702 and 7, things start to move pretty quick. Okay, whoops, this was down. I'm on a weekly. I apologize. The daily is what I wanted here. This is just getting through the 786. Actually, this we were looking at it down here because price action was down here earlier. But you can see once it got through, see how it battled at 702 and 786. See how it battled in this area here with the 702, got up to the 786, battled, and then boom, and then you got that big massive skyrocket. That's what usually happens when you get through them last areas, okay? And Veracity is right there, okay? It's right at that 702. If we break above the 0.0092, all right, price could start moving fairly quick. All right, that high target up here at 0.011, that's this previous high over here. That we would be looking at possibly taking out that next. Now, where are we at with our RSIs? Okay, let's open this chart up. That's the big thing, okay? Are we ready to move again, or what's going on here? Let's get this off here first. All right, the daily, look at that. The daily is just reset at the bottom and turning up, okay? When you're at the top, you're expecting price to pull down. When you're at the bottom, you're expecting price to push up. We are at the bottom, we're at a 5 and a 9, just about ready to turn back up on the daily, all right? The 12-hour, same deal. right at the bottom, just turning up. We're at a 24 and a 15 bullish. Okay, so that's why we have a nice green 12-hour candle started. The 8, same thing, 36 and a 32. As long as the blue number is bigger than the orange number, you're in good shape. Okay, 36 and a 32 is bullish, and 4 hours at a 91 and an 86. It is bullish right now. Okay, so watching for it for that 0.0092. We break that, and we're in business. This thing could be going a lot higher. Holding the trend line just fine. This blue trend line, as long as we hold that trend line, we're on an upward trajectory here. Okay, out on the daily, obviously making especially in the weekly, you got higher highs and higher lows, which that's what you want for obviously an upward momentum here. And if we took this as a wave 1, 2 here, like we did yesterday, this move, we're not. If we used that wick, all right, that would give us a target up at. Wow, matches up perfect. That's crazy. It's amazing when you start looking at charts, guys, and doing this stuff. It's amazing how things line up perfect. This was on the weekly. This was support over here, resistance right here. Let me zoom in and show you. Matches up perfect. See it? Support. This was resistance. This was support here. So it matches up perfect at 4.236 at 0.018. Very good possibility if we don't use the wick. And if you haven't, guys, please check it out. My trading videos. I'm not going to push them anymore after today. I might bring them up now and then. But $14.99 a level 3 membership to the channel. Get you 17 or 18 videos over 7 hours of videos to learn how to do this. And just a basic membership is 99 cents just to support the channel. So every bit helps. Thank you so much. I had 5 new members yesterday. Thank you very, very, very much. Tomorrow when I do my videos, I'm listing the members and giving you a big shout out because you deserve it. Thank you so very much. And to you that just watch the channel, thank you. And that supports me in the biggest way too. And hitting like and subscribe helps a ton. And I just appreciate the support, guys. Thank you so very much. All right, if we do not use that wick and we look at a price target, all right, go from the low, we'll just go to here and pull back, okay? That's giving us this target over here that we're keeping up here. I moved it earlier, so it's a little high. We'll put it right there, okay? And that other target that we just had, we're going to mark it too because it's a very good possibility. The way it's lining up with that support and resistance up there, it's amazing how it does that. But right up here, we'll just leave it there because that's where that line is at. So there's 2 possibilities here, okay? We could be heading up to the 0.0126, or if we hit this higher target up at 0.0185, that's a full Fibonacci extension here. All right, that is you would have a wave 1, 2 would be working on a 3. Yeah, if this is a third wave and we're getting this higher target, we're gonna have to break through here. Okay, then it would probably back test it as support, and then a 5th wave up. All right, and if that 5th wave would complete that. All right, now if it's this lower target that we're getting to, I could see it probably maybe getting a little bit higher. 4th wave pullback, and then your 5th wave extension up here. Okay, might even not even go that high. 4th wave pullback, and then your 5th wave up. So we'll see which one ends up playing out. All right, the biggest telltale all here is breaking at 702. If we break above the 0.011 within the next couple days, then I believe we're heading to this higher target up here. All right, if we don't break above that and we start having a pullback, which then I believe it's this lower target. Now with this daily RSI just starting up, I believe, we got a shot at these higher targets for sure. All right. So please hit the like and subscribe, guys. Thank you so very, very much. I appreciate everything you do for me, guys. And we'll see what happens with this daily getting reset. We'll see if we get if this pops and we get a pretty decent run going. All right. Thanks a lot, guys.